So hope you guys can see these slides. I'll have to rotate my phone for better viewing experience. All right, so once again, guys and girls, welcome to this intro webinar. And as I said earlier, I will be teaching you how to earn from Forex without knowing how to trade. Just stick with me to the end and everything will be explained in details. So I'm excited to welcome everyone. Let's go. This webinar, you will learn how to earn from Forex trading, as I said, even without having any knowledge. The model of business I'm using is like a money-making recipe. I've tested it, I've loved it, and it has given me a whole lot of money. So imagine being able to make like $50 to $400 from Forex markets without needing to learn Forex trading. That's almost impossible to believe. So this system I use has made me make more than $300 every month. More than $300 every month. And as a Nigerian, you should know that exchange rate is like on the high side. It's crazy. It's very high. As of today, I think I bought over $200 today. I was buying at about 1,200. 1,200. You can imagine. 1,200 for $1. That was, I paid over 240 something thousand just to get 200 American dollars. So imagine now implementing this system I'm about to tell you of and using it to make money. You'll see that you earn a whole lot. So I assure you, as you follow these simple instructions I'm going to give you, you can be on your way to make your first $300 while trading. So the first thing is believing. This is one of my accounts, actually, one of my trading accounts, and this money was made in a period of 3 weeks. It wasn't made once, actually. Like, I think, yeah, little by little, we're gathering the money. Then we got this amount in 3 weeks. And I was able to withdraw it. And then dollar was not even as high as it is today. I think it was just 900 to $1 to 900. So as of now, dollar is about 1,200. So that is 300 naira was added on top each dollar. So it's just so alarming. So this is me, my humble self. My name is Wednesday Victory, and I'm a Forex trader. I am the owner of Trading Titans Group. Our goal is simply to help young people like me get into trading and make huge benefits from it. With the strategy that works for me, I'm also positive I can help you all achieve financial independence. This copy and paste system works no matter where you live. All you need is an internet connection, capital, and a smartphone. Then you are good to go. So stick to the end of this webinar as I will be dropping vital and important details. Sorry about that. So let's start. I'm sure everyone, or not everyone, has heard about Forex before, one way or the other, either through social media or the mass media. Understand? So let's just say this: Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, is the act of buying and selling currencies. It's a global marketplace where currencies in the world are traded. Currencies like United States dollar, Japanese yen, naira, the South African rands, and other currencies are being traded for profit. So these are examples of pairs which are popularly traded on Forex. As we all know, the USD is the United States dollar, and its value is very high in naira. It's about 1,002 as of now, versus the Japanese yen. These are pairs we normally merge in Forex and trade. You understand? Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. Canadian dollar is owned by the people of Canada. The Swiss franc as well is owned by the people of Switzerland. We merge these pairs, we trade them to get profit. We either buy or sell them. Understand? Also, we have the Australian dollar, which is AUD, and the New Zealand dollar. Once again, we merge these pairs and we trade them in the Forex market. So currency value rise and fall against each other due to various economic factors like inflation, geopolitical events, and financial news. But don't worry about knowing all these stuffs. We are the ones to provide you these services. We will be the one to study the news, study the events and economic factors. We'll then use those news and details we get from the news and after technical analysis to provide you guys with what they call trading signals. That signals is what you will use to enter the market and place a trade. So traders attempt to profit from this change in values by either going long. Long means buy in trading, and short means sell. So let me give an example, like that USD JPY I talked of. So let's say you went long for USD JPY, and USD JPY truly went long. That's a bought. You would make a whole lot of money from that. Or let's say you now decided to sell USD JPY. Maybe on a good day, USD JPY sells. You will get profit from that activity. All right. So here in this community, we take what we call calculated risk. So you don't have to get worried about being swept by volatile pairs. When I say calculated risk, I mean we advise traders or we give traders signals that are not like if the signal turns against us, it would not really affect your equity. And what I mean by volatile pairs are pairs that move really, really fast. Example of which are XAUSD, which is gold versus, which is gold rather. We pair gold with the United States dollars, USD, and trade it. Gold moves very, very fast because it's a commodity. Other pairs like US oil and some others are also very, very volatile. Though we don't really trade US oil. We don't really trade. We mostly focus on gold. So how to earn from this program? With our copy and paste system, once again, you don't need to understand how to analyze the market. You don't need to have any knowledge. Normally, if you want to analyze, it will take you like 6 months or 9 months of intense learning. Not just 6 months of learning, intense learning and practice to earn from the market. So we are just going to, be giving you guys the signals to trade, and you guys will earn money. So our reputable Forex trader, Trading Titans, would be providing trading signals daily from Monday to Friday. All right. So we have a Telegram channel where we drop signals daily. Understand? Where we drop signals daily, and we hope to always profit from the signals. Understand? We have a signal channel on Telegram. That signal channel is where we drop our signals and stuff. So this is like what it looks like. This is our signal channel. Yeah. So the trades would not even take you up to a minute to place. It will not take you up to a minute to place those trades in your account. You are just simply copying and pasting those trades in your trading account. You understand? So it wouldn't take you less than 1 minute to place the trades. Moving on. So, most people, they don't really how would I put this now? They don't join a community or an academy without seeing valuable or legit results. So right now, I'm going to be showing you results that in fact, some of the results I've got, like the profit I've made and stuff like that in the last few weeks and few months, and as well as my students, because I'm not just the only one in this community. I have students who are learning and who are also earning from this community. So firstly, this is one of my accounts as well. This is one of my trading accounts, and I have been able to make, or rather withdraw, over $700, as you can see right there. $700. And the painful thing was that when I withdrew this money, dollar was not even up to, I think it was not even up to 900 completely. It was just, it will go to 900, fluctuate back to 800 and something, and like that. So this money, hmm, it's right now, this amount of money is almost up to just few digits close to ₦1 million. So this is what I've made in the past few weeks and months. And one of the most recent one was October 12th. If you guys actually follow my status, I think I posted this. I posted this stuff. I said after CP, I take some profits. That day I made more than $200 that day alone trading. I had to take partial profit, to enjoy myself. As Nigerians would popularly say, waiting man go do. Understand? So this is one of the latest, which happened October 12th. So this is one of my students who is doing excellently well. Like this guy, he trusts me, die. Like he just follows everything I tell him to do. You can see this guy didn't start with much capital, but as you can see, he was able to make a withdrawal of over 295,000 naira. And this happened in just a space of, we can call it 1 month. We can call it 1 month because he joined us, I think, in August. And you can see this September 22, he was able to withdraw this amount of money. He's doing very well, and I'm very proud of him. I'm very, very proud of him. This also are other of my students, Christopher and Ossie. These guys are one of my close friends as well. They are just, really doing well. And not that I know them in real life, but due to the kind of communication we do have, I'm just like, I just see them as my brothers. You understand? They are doing very well. They are doing very well. And we always try to build up your confidence, because some persons, when they are trading and maybe they see that they are in loss, they will just get scared. I would always try to calm them down. You understand? So that is it. You can see this guy has made, I've been made though just that day about $33 trading. The guy is doing excellently well, and I'm very, very proud of him. My guy over here as well, Christopher. Christopher is doing well. Um, Christopher is doing very well. He personally has made a whole lot of money from Forex, not hundreds of dollars, possibly thousands of dollars. The guy is doing very well. So this is one of my friends from Botswana, a woman actually. A woman actually. She is also one of these people that can take risks for Africa. You can see the kind of risk she's taking with how many dollar accounts. This is about 31, or is that $31 account. See the kind of risk she's taking. She believes and trusts the process. So anything like fear, I'm trying to build my people. Like they very fearless. Let me use that word. They'll be very fearless. Understand? No matter how bad the market is, these persons will just say, okay, let's just hold on. Let's be patient. Like those are the kind of people I'm trying to build. You understand? So she's doing well, and I really appreciate her efforts trying to trade and trusting in me. So lastly, we have our guy, my friend, Ikechukwu Michael. This guy is a very amazing person. He's doing very well. He's doing very well. He believes in me. And one day, I believe strongly that this guy would even pass me for this Forex way they do. This guy is a very, very smart guy. and you can see how much he earned. Um, they just believe they can earn from Forex. That is why they try to venture into it. There are some persons that just believe that Forex is a scam and things like that, but Forex isn't actually a scam. As we go on, I would explain better. So you can see those photos, pictures, or whatever. My members of my communities are doing absolutely well. They are doing well, and I'm super proud of them. I'm super proud of them. So the popular quote by our Odogu Burna Boy, he say you go explain tire, no evidence. But in this academy, as long as you follow my steps, you follow my instructions, just do wetin I tell you make you do. You would earn a lot, and you will benefit from this program. So on a serious note now, the broker I partner with is 100% reliable and safe. What is a broker, you may ask? A broker is a go-between or a middleman, like someone that handles buyers and sellers in the financial transactions. They help you trade things like currency, stocks, and commodities. So brokers are just like, they connect you directly to the market. They are the platforms which you use to place trades. You understand? Place trades and make profits. You understand? So trading with a reliable broker is very, very important. So in Nigeria as a whole, Forex brokers are regulated by what we call the SEC. SEC stands for Security and Exchange Commission. And the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, they gave them license to operate legally. So your money is safe. You don't have to worry about, hey, say this broker closed down with my money. As long as they have this certification, if eventually, which is likely not to happen, they shut down, Central Bank and the NCC will go after them with lawsuits. So brokers, there are brokers that are regulated in Nigeria. The one I use is regulated in Nigeria. You can make your research and, find out yourself. So in the Forex market, over $6.6 trillion is traded every day, according to the Triennial Central Bank of FX and OTC derivative markets. This is like a body that, delivers statistics and stuff like that. They said $6.6 trillion traded daily. Like $6.6 trillion is way different than 6.6 trillion naira. So if you are eventually going to ask me, okay, can I possibly maybe when I make like 2 million in a day from trading, will my broker be able to pay me? Yes, they'll be able to pay you. They'll be able to pay you that money, because this is the amount of money they are trading. If we are to calculate this $6.6 trillion to naira, that would be more than trillions now, like way more than trillions. So that is it for that. And once again, you can make your little research, to get more understanding of Forex. So there are some steps you can follow to join our community charge-free. For you to become a member of the Trading Titan community, there are some steps you have to follow. So firstly, you have to create an account using our unique partner broker link. Understand? A link will be given to you to create an account, a trading account, which you will use to perform your trading activities. Then, if you are not yet in our channel, you'll be added to our channel to watch videos on how to enter trade and things like risk management. You understand? So that is it. Then the third step is you start making your profit. You trade and start making your profit. This trading stuff, one thing is for you to make your withdrawals. And another thing is for you to make deposit and for you to make withdrawals. So as long as you follow my instructions, you follow my leading, I'm telling you that everything will be well. You understand? So on following these steps, you are going to get free access to the community, free access to signals and other things. Understand? We do give away some, freebies, freebies like little cash. You understand? So that's that for that. So how you can get started with us is after you have successfully created an account with our recommended broker, you will need a minimum of just $35 to start trading. Just $35. Though this is a limited offer because it will be raised. The original amount to join the community is about $150. That money is not what you are going to pay us to join. It's what you are going to use to trade. So if anybody messages you and tells you that maybe from any of my what they call it, WhatsApp channels or anything, and tell you to pay them to get access to my community, do not pay them. I would never collect money from you as long as you follow these simple steps. So understand that. So $35 for the first 10 persons, and it will be raised back to 150. The higher the Forex work with the base of, the higher the return, the more likely the reward. So when you start with this amount, you are most likely guaranteed to have success in trading. So as I said once again, I do not charge as long as you follow the simple instructions I'm going to give you. So that is it for this section. So once again, it's a limited offer and it comes with a first come, first serve basis. I will not say this person sent me a DM first. I will not reply him and I'll reply this one who is my brother or stuff like that. No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't be biased. No matter who you are, as long as you are ready to, you have accepted the terms and conditions and you are ready to start with us, I would, reply you as soon as possible. So for the signals, I rate my signals on a weekly basis, and I can say they are 70 to 80% accurate per week, sorry. So what I do is I calculate how many times we hit stop loss. Stop loss is maybe when we run in loss, too much loss, the market will just, maybe the market went against us, our trade is now running in serious loss. Stop loss will help you limit further losses. Understand? And how many times we hit TP? The TP is when you're on the blue side, which is when your trades are running in profit. The TP will also kick you out of the market when you have gotten to a certain point of profit. So I merge those results together and I can say it's 70 to 80% accurate. So that is it. And the principle we work with is more wins, less losses. You can ask people in my channel. I always tell them this. We always pray for more wins. Understand? We pray for more wins than losses. So how to get in touch with me? You can reach out to me via WhatsApp. If you don't have my WhatsApp number, I will gently drop it in the chat section of this my Telegram channel. I will send you the guidelines on how you can join us. You understand? How you can join us and sign up with us.